Let me show you what is coming up over the next few sections. In the next section, we're going to configure the RESTful APIs for our project. Then we will test our REST API endpoints via Postman. Once we test the API endpoints, then we will dive into the Xamarin Forms and we will set up our Xamarin Forms project. Then I will show you how to get all the assets of our application and import inside the Android and iOS projects. Right after that, I'll show you how you can access web APIs inside your mobile device. Then we will create the model classes as well as the API service class that contains our API methods. Right after that, we will dive into the real world application and we will start our application from scratch. Right after this course, you'll have a very good understanding of how to build a complete e-commerce mobile application with Xamarin Forms. So in this course, there are a lot of things to learn, and I will see you in the next section.